Hello, this is Hui. Welcome to watch my video, C++ programming on Linux. The previous video demonstrated the process of writing a C++ SSH echo server program. Since both SSL and SSH server require a certificate and a private or public key pair, which is essential for the initial handshake and for encrypting data during the network transmissions. This short video we will write a customized C++ program to generate one of SS keys. Here is a look at Libssh public key infrastructure PKI and related functions. These include key generation, key import, key duplication, key check, key configuration, and key export. The function SSH key types specify and return Libssh supported SSH key types. These are all SSH supported key types. For this demo, to keep example simple, we only write a C++ program to generate SSH RSA key. SSH key type unknown is type not supported. There might be some discrepancy. Compare the Libssh version installed in your environment, or some types have been decrypted. To get precise key types supported in your environment, check the header file libssh.h. Here is all the SSH key types supported in our Ubuntu Linux, and this EdDSA key type has been decrypted in our environment. In this video, for keep example simple, we just create RSA key only. Here on our Ubuntu Linux, we're going to write a program ssh-keygen.cpp. This example generate RSA SSH private key and public key files. The usage of this example, it will take two arguments from command line. Argument 1 is the key size, which is the bits of the key generated, and the key file name. It will be the private key file name. The public key file name will be the private key file name plus .pub. To process keygen, it needs to take 4 steps. Step 1, will be get and assign key type and the key bits. Here, key type is SSH RSA key types. My key bits is from argument 1. Print out the information, my key type and the key bit get from argument 2. Step 2, generate a new private key pair. Function ssh-pki generate. Function ssh-pki generate a key pair. This function takes 3 parameters. First parameter is the type. Second parameter is the key size, for example, 1024, 2048, or 4096. third parameter is the pointer to store allocated private key. You need to free the memory using ssh key phrase. This function returned ssh OK on success, ssh error on errors. Back to our editor. Return code equal. First parameter is my key types. Second parameter is the size, my key bits, and the third parameter is the memory allocated for my key. If return code is not ssh OK, it means error. Error, we're going to print error message and return -1. On success, we're going to print information. After generate private key, next step is going to export private key to files. Function will be ssh-keygen export private key file. Function ssh-keygen export private key file will export private key to a PM file on disk. This function takes 5 parameters. First is the private key to export. Second is the passphrase to use to encrypt the key, or none means no passphrase. In this example, we're going to keep no passphrase. Third parameter will be the authenticate function you may want to use, or none if you don't use authenticate functions. In this example, we'll choose none here for this parameter. Next parameter will be the authenticate date, which is the private date passed to the authenticate function. Here is none either. The last parameter is the path where store the PM files. This function return ssh OK on success, ssh error on errors. Back to our editor. Return code equal ssh-keygen export private key files. First parameter will be the key, my key. Second parameter will be the passphrase. We're not using passphrase in this example. Authenticate function. Date passed to authenticate function will be none. The next is the key files from argument 2. Copy this 5 line, 5yy. If return code not equal ssh OK, it means error. Function create error, which is ssh-keygen export private key file. Free the key allocated memory before exit. On success, print information, function success. After export the private key to file, next step we're going to export public key to files. First, we declare a public key file name. The public file name equals private key file name plus .pub. Function to export public key to file is ssh-keygen export pubkey files. Function ssh-keygen export pubkey file export public key to file. This function takes 2 parameters. First is the key, second is the file name. This function return ssh OK on success, ssh error on errors. Back to our editor. First parameter is my key. Second parameter is file export to. We copy this 6 line, 6yy, paste here. If return code not equal ssh OK, the function get error, free the my key allocated memory, exit with -1 on success. Print the information, success. After that, free the key allocated memory. malloc allocated memory before exit. Now we have finished our program. We save our program. WQ. We compile our program. Program has been compiled. Here is our executable. Now we're going to run our executable. The usage, first argument is the size. Second argument will be the private key files, which size 2048, and the key file, my ID RSA. We generate key success, export private key file success, export to public key file success. Here is the key we generated. My ID RSA pub is a public key. My ID RSA is a private key. Check my private key file. Format, private key, end of a private key. This is all the information we don't know. And we can use ssh-keygen to check our public key file. Here is keygen, check our key file, size 2048, SSH-256 algorithm, and RSA key. We can also use preview video generate SSH echo server to check the key file we generated in this example. To test RSA key file, we'll use two terminals. Top terminal run SSH echo server. The usage, first argument is a server. Second argument is a port number 1234. Third argument is a login ID. Next argument is key file. My ID RSA and the log level is 0. After typing the password, our server is started listening on the port number 1234. Here on the bottom terminal, we'll start our client 10.0.0.191. Port number is 1234 and the login ID. After typing the password, client connect with the server and the channel is a starting success. Now we type in the message. So you can see message has been sent to the server. This is Hui test message 1 from client 1 and the server echo back. Client received same message. Now we send the second message, and the second message has been sent to the server. Here's the message server received. Here is the message client received, the server echo back. The SSH protocol is widely used in network communication for secure data transmission and login into remote system over an unsecured network. SSH key play a vital role in this process. The example provided in this video uses a simple version of Linux ssh-keygen command. The SSH key file is typically generated using this command. Here on our Linux, we try to use an ssh-keygen command to generate a SSH RSA key The syntax for generating a SSH RSA key file is -T RSA, we generate RSA key. -B is the size, bit 2048, and the -F is the key file name we're going to generate. No passphrase. Now RSA key has been generated. Here is the RSA private key and the RSA public key. To verify this key, key 2048 ssh-256 algorithm RSA key. Now we use the same command to check the RSA key generated from our example. My ID RSA is the RSA key generated through our example. 2048 ssh-256 algorithm and the RSA key. This is Hui. Thanks for watching my video. Wish it's helpful, and it's going to be great to have your feedback.